In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stairs in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to open the view where you want to add your stairs. So I have this tutorial floor open up right now. And then what you want to do is go to architecture up top left. And then from here you can see there's going to be a bunch of things. And over here you have a stair, okay? So as you can see, it says adds a stair to the building model by creating a common run. So just click on that. And then from here, as you can see, you have different component options. So you have the straight stairs, the full step spiral, you have center and spiral, and then some other ones as well. So I'm gonna use these basic ones over here called straight. I'm gonna just click here, and then when you click for the first time, you want to position them, and then when you're done, click for the second time, and there we go, we have our stairs. Now you can click on them, and you can then go and of course make them wider if you want to. You can make them bigger, etc. You can move them around, you can rotate them, whatever you want to do, and that way you've added stairs. But there's of course multiple stairs. You have the full step spiral as well, so if you want to use the full step spiral over here, you can also do that. And then you have these stairs which kind of go like towards the L over here. Then you have these over here which I'll call the U shape over here, and of course it's going to automatically place them, but you can then resize them like this. It's super simple, and yeah, that's essentially how to add stairs. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.